Boys and girls, we have been talking about contractions. Remember, when you write a contraction, you always have an apostrophe. Remember that an apostrophe takes the place of a letter or letters that were originally in those two words of the contraction. You always need to make sure that you place the apostrophe in the correct spot. It always goes in the spot where those letters used to be. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at 3 ways in which I've written a word. And we're going to figure out which one has the apostrophe in the correct place. We're going to talk about why it's in the correct place, or how we know. So this is I've. Let's look here. We know I've stands for I have. So let's think about that. I have. So what letters disappeared? The HA, right? So that apostrophe is going to be just where that HA used to be. So let's think here. Is that apostrophe where that HA used to be? No, it should be right here, right? So that's not right. Let's look here. I, V, apostrophe E. So it's saying that the HA should be here. I don't spell have that way. V-H-A-E. That's not right either. Let's look here. I, H-A-V-E. This is correct because the HA used to be before the VE from I have. So I've is spelled correctly here. Let's look at the next one. Haven't. I have 3 options for haven't. Let's start by thinking about the 2 words that make up haven't. Have not. What letter has disappeared from have not? We know that have is the same, right? Not is the word going with have. So that O is in the middle. That's where the apostrophe should be. So let's look closely. We have, but then we have the apostrophe. So did the O go before the N? No. Let's look here. We have, N, and apostrophe T. So did the O go between the N and the T? It did, because that's the word not. So in this section, or in this group of words, you can see this one's wrong because it's at the end. Haven't is spelled correctly right here. Let's look at our next set of words. We're looking at we're. We're going home. We know that we